All right, so this question was sent to me by one of my followers in my DM and asked me to solve this problem. But looking at this very well, you see that this question is very easy, very much easy to solve. Okay, so I want you to understand that whenever you're given logarithm of a base and the number is in decimals, you have 0.00001. Okay, now this is the same thing as saying log base 10. This is 0.00001. Okay, now I want you to know that this is 1, this number, multiply 10 raised to power. Now if you want to write this number, focus on this number. I want to write this number in standard form. How do you write it in standard form? It is 1 times 10 raised to power minus. Why am I starting with minus? Because this started with 0 point, and that means is less than 1. So the power here will be what? Minus. Okay, minus. Then how many zeros do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 zeros, so this will be minus 5. This will be minus 5. Close it. Okay, minus 5. Okay, now this is equals to log base 10. 1 times this still remains this. Okay, 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 still remains 10 raised to the power minus 5. Okay, now from the law of logarithm, when you have a power, an exponent, that power can come to the front. Okay, it can multiply the logarithm. So that means this power is minus 5. It comes to the front. I have minus 5, then log base 10, the number 10. And we know in logarithm that logarithm of a number to the same base is equals to 1. Note this. And when you know this, then I can easily say that minus 5 multiply logarithm to the base 10, logarithm of a number 10 base 10 is equals to 1. So this alone is 1. So minus 5 times 1 gives you minus 5. So the solution to this problem is minus 5. Okay, so this is very easy to solve, and I want you to understand that any question from logarithm are always easy. We all most times apply sometimes apply indices, the knowledge of indices, to solve logarithm because both of them are alike. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Do well to like, share to your friends, and comment cleared. If you have any issue with logarithm, still come to my DM, drop it on the comment section, and I'll attend to you. Bye.